Hi, I am Neeta Saxena here from Magic Beats. Vedic Maths is a concept in which a child learns mathematical equations in a very simplified way. It helps the child to remember the formulas very easily, and it will help them in all the competitive exams as well as in their studies. It helps them improve their concentration, and it also helps them greatly in competitive exams. Like, follow the Vedic Maths techniques, the problem which requires 5 minutes, they can solve that in 1 minute. In this way, they can save lot of time, and the child will be self-confident, and they can perform well in their studies and in all the fields. When the child is confident that he will do well. There are 3 levels basically in Vedic Maths, which all the concepts like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and square roots, cube roots, everything is covered. In Vedic Maths we have different concepts by which the student can perform, so they can do very well. Like, normally when they are doing any addition, subtraction or division, they will take minimum 3 to 4 minutes to complete the work. But in Vedic Maths they can do it within a minute. We have very simple techniques which a dull student can also perform well. There are many things which we can learn in Vedic Maths, like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, square roots, cube roots, which the child can do within a minute or a second. It depends upon his child performance. And there are many concepts in Vedic Maths. Vedic Maths is ideal for students from 6th to 10th class. Well, that age they can learn the concept very easily, and they don't for a Vedic Maths they don't require only one. The children who know tables from 1 to 9 can easily do Vedic Maths techniques. Abacus is a concept by which a small child, from 4 to 10 years, can learn the techniques very easily. Abacus is a technique by which a child's memory is increased manifold. There are 10 levels in Abacus. Each level has a different. From the first level onwards, we will teach them how to visualize things. By that, the right side of the brain get activated, and a child can perform 100%. They can use their 100% of the brain for learning. It will not only help in mathematics but also in all the subjects, as we teach them how to visualize things. That is very important for every child. Normally a child doesn't use 50% of the right side of the brain. That is, 50% of the brain only is used by them. We teach them how to use the right 50% of brain by the simple techniques of Abacus. Abacus can be learned from age 4, which is the right age for the brain development. And in Abacus also they will learn how to add, subtract, divide, multiply, the square roots, cube roots, everything, which help them a lot in their studies. You can find 100% improvement in their studies.
I thank EDWays who are trying to give broad information for the students who wanted to do medicine program in abroad, and for more information please subscribe EDWays.
I would like to congratulate Mr. Karnakar to start such an initiative which will be available for all the students on YouTube.
Thanks to EDWays, and please subscribe the channel.
ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా మందికి రీచ్ అవ్వాలి, ఈ EDWays ఛానల్లో వచ్చే కార్యక్రమాలు చాలా మంది విద్యార్థులకు రీచ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు EDWays.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను డాక్టర్ రామ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ EDWays ఛానల్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు EDWays.
Thanks to EDWays channel. Please subscribe EDWays channel.
Hello guys, like for successful journey of your studies platform destination, so please follow and subscribe to edways.in.
Thanks to EDWays. Please subscribe EDWays.
All the best for the EDWays.
and please subscribe the channel.
And please subscribe to EDWays YouTube channel.
Thanks to EDWays for giving me an opportunity to subscribe for EDWays.
Please subscribe to EDWays YouTube channel.